Here is an OpenAI chat. There is buffered messages to minimize this content, like I loading previous messages. Now it shows this but it removes future message and keeps only that message that we can see in here. Because if there is too much text, then like this Rohto prompting, where I set a role for AI, instructions what to do and notes, goal and relevance. Like this. This works slowly if there is too much text. So that buffering message will fix the bug. That go. I am a lawyer, and then I do EULA so where do dual licensed GPL GPL EULA for log code platform and have processing model. And now I close this and EULA and ask from AI. Now AI is thinking. Let's see what happens. Yes, here it is. And I can read it in text to speak feature. Let I see, put the headphones to avoid. Let's wait. It takes a moment. AI is generating speak from text, but it's come later.
Creating an end-user license agreement, EULA, for a low-code platform that is dual licensed under the GNU General Public License, GPL, involves ensuring compatibility with the GPL while addressing the specific requirements of the platform, including its pricing model. Here's a general framework and some points to consider.
Okay, and then speak to text. I need to enable a microphone first. Okay, do me some source code to get customers from PostgreSQL database who has cars. Okay, now it's did it, but it's detected my language and translated my speak to in Finnish language text, even there is English in. And now it's generated a Finnish text and instructions. This is a Python code. Yes, this is a Python code. And there is also capture video message. Thank you, doing things. And now I stop video. It stays a preview here. Upload and send. Now it's here. Thank you, doing things. Okay, and capture image with message. Now, yes, there is also upload image from hard disk, but let's see the generate image. Do the beer drinking dude. Now it's did it. In English, my text and AI started the thinking. It's not understand that my pronouncing right is did the beer, not dude drinking beer. And here is do. Here is the typing indicator. Do fun. Okay. Funny image. Do funny image. Now AI is starting thinking. It takes a moment when AI is generating image from written text. Okay, now it's done. Thank you, watching.